Hi everyone, my name is Chirag Kandui, and so this video is about what I learned from this topic of elicitation. So, the first of all, I learned this elicitation is the process or method to know end user interaction and thoughts. Elicitation is a study that can help a researcher to know about user interaction. Meanwhile, I think this study is also known as guessing study. I think guessing interaction of human interaction in HCI. Study is helping researcher to develop interaction design and how can they use in any technologies. By reading this research topic, I think I learn what is gestures and type of gestures. Like there are many kind of gestures, but I think manipulative and communicative gestures is important to interact with computers. I think gesture is a very good input for human computer interaction. Based on this topic, I learn what is input, what is domain, and how can we use allocation in this kind of situations. During the exercise of 5.1, I know about what is a technology and how can we describe domain. So in that particular exercise, I mentioned four technology with the domain specific information. So that I learned that domain can be different in a same technology. So in one domain, I think it is very good. Like in AR technology, we can control a automobile. So like a car. So we can control car using AR devices. So in which the technology is AR and the domain is controlling or manipulating automobile. So for that, so what is the input for this kind of situation? So I think touch is the best input for this kind of situation. In AR, I think according to my understanding, AR is like augmented reality, and we can use in a one smartphone, and you can interact with the 3D object using that kind of screen. For the novel approach for allocation, I suggest one technology or one scenario like this. Like in XR, in mixed reality, using AR and VR, we can make infrastructure design, like develop infrastructure design or building or house using two technologies. So for that, I think for this kind of situation, the best input for this technology is uh, gesture, eye tracker, touch, and voice, because you can use touch and voice in AR devices, using even AR devices, and for gesture and eye tracker you can use in VR devices. So both combination of this kind of device, we can manipulate and uh, change scenes in mixed reality. So what is and meanwhile I think I learn about referent, in which I think I learn about referent. I don't know about referent, what is referent, but using this research guide, I think I know something about referent. So using this example of my mixed reality technology and domain, I think referent in that situation, referent is like how a user can zoom in or zoom out in XR devices, and user must rotate any object, any 3D space in global axis, and local access, which can give more control over this kind of devices and in controller. So I think in this situation, user can walk or sit back on desk and use this kind of technology for their domain specific and make the allocation research. So that's it. Thank you for watching.